Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix blurry photos and camera lags on Samsung Galaxy A57. So try the simple steps. Grab a microfiber cloth or the corner of your cotton t-shirt and wipe the surface of your camera lenses. The rear ones and the front ones, one at the front. After that, check your camera. If you still see blurry images or lagging camera, then we can simply clear the cache of it by holding the finger down on the camera icon, tapping the information icon, and here we're gonna have to go to storage, and in storage we want to clear cache by tapping right here, then return back to camera and check the camera quality once again, and if it hasn't improved, go to tap on this 4 circles icon, then tap the gear icon to open settings, scroll down to the bottom of the camera settings and reset them, and then check the camera once again, and this time it should work normally. If not, also make sure to update your device's firmware. Swipe down this control center, tap the gear icon right here to open your smartphone settings. Here, go to software update, check for available ones, make sure that you are connected to the internet, and if you have an available update, take your time to download and install it. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.